Welcome back in, team members. Today we're working on the Sirona Orthophos XG. There's something really weird going on with this. Check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the return key. And watch what happens. Oh no, that's not good. What, I wonder, could be wrong with this? Hang tight, we're going to show you. So what in the world is going on with this pan? Well, if you'll notice, you've got two stepper motors, left side, right side, that drive this thing that I call the butterfly clamp. Now, I'm sure Sirona's got a better technical term for it than that, but inside this butterfly clamp is this thing called a light barrier. They're located on the left and right side, respectively, and right where the probe is pointing is where that light barrier is going to be located on the right and left side for each respective stepper. And so what we're going to do is go ahead and show you this light barrier. Think of the light barrier as a limit switch. As it travels along the rail and the light is open or closed, the software knows at what position the linear movement is at its start and stop positions. There's the example of the barrier traveling on the rail. Welcome back in, team members. I hope you're enjoying these tutorials. We're going to wrap it up here with the third and final part of diagnosing and replacing a faulty light barrier in the Sirona Orthophos XG pan. Now, I want to point out something really quick. If you'll take a look at the still image that we've got up, we've got the butterfly clamp, we've got it apart, we've got it separated, upper from lower, so that we can get to this faulty light barrier and get it replaced. But what I want to show you guys is it's not necessary to remove the rotation motor to get this clamp apart just to replace that faulty light barrier. So there's literally like 6 screws that you take out that holds this clamp together, and then you can separate it. And you can take a stubby Torx T10 and reach in there and remove that faulty barrier and install the good light barrier. But as you can see in the first video, when that light barrier fails, it's no longer working, it's no longer acting like the limit switch. When that light barrier has failed, the software doesn't know at what point of the travel the rotation is. And so when you hit that return key and the unit tries to return to its home position, it goes way past the stop point because of the faulty light barrier, and essentially drives itself to the point where it cannot be driven any further, and basically just crashes into itself. Well, that about wraps it up, guys. I'm sorry I could not get you a final video of the unit working correctly with the new light barrier installed. But when you're in the dentist office, you have to be considerate of the patients and obviously of the customer, the doctor, and the staff. And so in this particular situation, I was not able to make that final video. Well, that's it, guys. Be sure and like me on Facebook. Oh, wait, I'm not on Facebook. I keep forgetting that. Anyway, you guys have a good one.